Alright, I am back at Bundy Hill. This time I brought some members of the Motor City Jeep Club, and we went straight to the Coliseum. So let's get into it.
Am I good to go down right here, or am I going to... Yeah, your back tire's actually tucked.
Alright, straighten it out, Oscar. Go back a little bit faster. Now you're going to need to go a lot more passenger at this point because you got to climb up that. Just hit belly and now you're gonna go right up and you're fine. Your back tire is gonna come down right now. You're okay. Give it a little bump. You're up and over. Most part. So more driver. And then slow when you're going to come down passenger. For the most part, you're clear.
Billy should jump on top of it right now. Oh! It's a one-way passage.
You're square on it.
Oh. Bro, it's in my eyes. You're lucky that you got this.
Start gradually coming past your... That, here we go. Up or down here?
Hold on.
Forward this way, bud.
I
got a radio wheel on channel 17.
Does that help?
Test it.
I don't know what that was, but
Emma, don't look so serious.
we made it again.
This one.
I don't think so, because it's completely frozen solid still. It was definitely that one that he went through, so is this one that he went through this. Unfortunately, this is a lot more rutted out than it normally is, and this is making it a lot more hectic feeling for everybody involved. So I'm walking back to try to help as I can. Sorry, everybody.
Come on. Come on. Driver's side hard. Watch that left.
Straight.
Driver's side, driver's side, driver's side. Come on.
Okay, come on.
Come on.
You're okay. Come on, you're okay. It's gonna turn. It's gonna turn with you. There you go. Now you're past it. Have him go to the crooked tree slightly. There you go. Now from there.
Driver's side, driver's side.
Yep, driver side. Driver.
Side,
Driver.
side.
Driver. You're fine. It's just your passengers in the air. Now you're gonna drop. Now you're gonna drop in the back. Now you're clear. Driver more.
The truck wanted this.
Yep, now follow that through and just do it real slow.
Dave, can you hear me? Hello. Can you tell if I'm leaking trans fluid?
You're still good.
At the moment.
You're still good. Yep.
Okay, thank you.
Now straighten it out. Straighten it out, that passenger hard.
So this is why I want
You're gonna climb up that a little bit, and then as you get your door to this rock, go driver's side. And then you're just gonna follow through driver's side and go high on that wall. You're following the same line, Oscar.
Hi, Dave.
So Oscar, as soon as you get your front door to this rock, you're gonna start turning driver heavily so that you can kind of ride the wall on the opposite side to go back. Nope, driver. And if you keep going straight from right now, you're gonna hit your back tire on the rock ever so slightly, but it should either shift or just go around it. There you go, you're around it. All right, looks like everybody's made it through, even though it was very sketchy. But we also have really tight rigs in this trail, and it wasn't this bad the last time I went through it. So again, any of you guys that are watching this, I'm sorry. I didn't know. I'm just gonna have to pre-run this next time.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. By thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
What happened to the truck? What happened to the truck, Pop? Oh, like, look at that one.
Che c'ha da la distanza. Nice. That's the same word. Che c'ha
Your passenger is going to go up. Now your driver's is at the stop where Dustin was, so now keep going. Just keep giving a little. You're making it. Dustin's has no weight. And you're still good. You can go up one more step. Your back is going to climb slightly. I would try to turn into it passenger or driver ever so slightly. You were doing it the right way. My brain went back. Yep.
I don't think so.
Oh, all right.
No,
so when I'm gonna
no,
back up a little bit,
I don't think
you're only gonna
so.
back up about this far.
No, it's never, ever, 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 ever,
Take it slow.
ever gonna happen.
happen.
You haven't moved yet.
I don't think
keep going.
so. No, no,
Keep
no,
going.
no. I don't think so.
You got about double them, or still about half the amount that I told you to go.
Never, ever, ever, ever,
Right? A little bit more.
ever gonna happen.
Right there. Now turn, yep. Now, if you stay driver a little bit more than what you are, there's actually a little rock there that'll help you go up. So stay, go a little bit more driver. About there. And now go forward.
Maybe someday
Alright, you're not going any further than that.
it'll all work out.
You hit the skid on the front, that air dam, and then I think you touched the toe hitch in the back. So that's about where you're at, which is about where he got, except for you're longer. Yeah. You're just hitting that plate there. There's a rock right in that spot. So just take it slow and back her down.